everyone, today we're going to be checking out our latest purchase, the Ninja Woodfire electric barbecue grill and smoker, which also came with a waterproof cover and a stand.
So stick around while we unbox it all and check out why we think this grill is going to stand out from the crowd this barbecue season.
So let's get started.
First of all, let's have a look at the box and see what features are listed on it. Okay, first of all, at the top we can see that we have a barbecue grill, barbecue smoker and air fryer all in one. The 28 by 38 centimeter grill plate of this barbecue allows you to feed a crowd. You can place 8 burgers or up to 16 sausages on it at once. Also, another point worth mentioning is that this barbecue is weather resistant. It can be stored outside regardless of season, and you don't need any gas, propane, wood, charcoal, any of that. It is powered by electricity. Now, let's get into it and see what's inside. Okay, so first up in the box, we have the quick start guide. We also have a bag of all-purpose Woodfire pellets. And we also have a bag of the robust blend pellets, as well as the instructions booklet. I quite like the packaging Ninja have because it's all recyclable. Okay, so here we have the grease tray or drip tray to catch any excess fat from cooking. The little pellet scoop. Got handle number 1 or right one. As well as handle number 2. And it comes with an Allen key, which is perfect, so you don't need to worry about having your own tools to assemble things. The plug, which looks interesting, it's got a reset and a test button on there. I'm assuming if you blow the fuse, you can reset it. And now, because it's quite a big product, I am going to swap with the other member of the tag team, Kitchen, so we can proceed with the unboxing.
Ta-da! Now let's lift it together and see for the first time. More cardboard, more silica gel. Okay, so this, I believe, is the air frying basket. Yes, there it is. And here we have the grill plate. There's the grill plate right there. The grill plate should just slide in there nicely. Okay, now it's all unboxed. Let's have a look at the inventory and what we've got. So we've got the grease tray, which slides in at the back, the grill plate itself, which I've already placed inside. And if you do want to air fry, you simply grab the basket and just place it on top of the grill, like so. And when placing the basket inside the grill, it has actually got some little grooves in there to stop it from moving about. And for filling it up with the pellets, on the side here, you've got the little smoke box, your scoop. You simply take a scoop and place inside. So now let's get it assembled and see how it looks. So the first thing I've noticed that it's a bit of an inconvenience is the arms. I'm just assembling it now and the screws are actually on the underside, and trying to get that underneath if you're assembling on a table is kind of impossible. So I'm actually going to have to tilt this up to put the arms on, which is a bit of a pain, but nevertheless. So now we've got the arms on, let's unbox the standing cover and see how it looks.
So next up we have the stand and cover. So far it looks like we have about 3 boxes inside this big box. Okay, now the big box is out of the way. Let's see what we have. 1, 2, I'm assuming these are the legs, and they are actually metallic, not plastic, which is quite good. Have a little box for the rain cover. This is what the cover looks like. I quite like that it has little drawstrings at the bottom to make sure it's nice and secure around the barbecue. There is another box. I'm not sure what is in this one. We have the instructions for assembling the stand. I'm assuming we've got some fixings in here. Next up, this is, I'm assuming, the actual bit that the grill will be standing on, as opposed to the legs. This is actual plastic. And the final bit, I am assuming this is the side table. And again, this is plastic, but it is a very heavy duty, sturdy plastic. So let's see how we can assemble this whole thing. Okay, the stand is now assembled. That took about 10 minutes. The instructions were really easy to follow. Very basic, step by step, just a few screws to put in the right place. First impressions, it feels really sturdy. The plastic feels like it will actually last and it shouldn't bend or do anything silly like that. The legs are, again, metal. You can extend the legs by pushing the buttons on the inside of them and pulling at the same time.
So when it comes to cooking, this grill has 7 different functions: grill, air fry, bake, dehydrate, roast, reheat, and then of course the smoker. But the feature that really separates this grill from all the rest out there has got to be the smoke box. Found on the outside of the grill, this allows you to add wood pellets, which are then ignited by the grill to give your food that smoky rich flavour without burning any charcoal or wood. Now Ninja do state that you can only use their brand of wood pellets. However, you can actually use any food grade wood pellets out there on the market. So now when it comes to cooking, there is 2 important things worth mentioning. First and foremost, this grill should only ever be used outside and never indoors. And the second important thing worth mentioning is when cooking your meat, always make sure you have your drip tray attached at the back. Otherwise, all that excess fat is just gonna drip all over your stand or on the floor, and nobody wants that. And with the grease tray itself, you can actually line this with tin foil, and I think Ninja do sell some tin foil baskets that you can fit inside to save any messy cleanup. Now, when it comes to how this thing actually cooks, so there's 2 heating elements. You have the first one here on the bottom for your grill plates or your griddle plate, whichever you're using. And then it's also got a second heating element above.
So that is the unboxing all done. If you'd like to purchase yourself one of these Ninja grills, then check out the affiliate link in the description box.
If you'd like to see any of our other unboxings and product reviews, check out the video on the screen now.
Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you soon. The grill plate of this bird. Quite like the packaging, it's all recyclable.
So now we've got it all assembled, and we've found on the outside of the grill, this allows you to add any wood pellets you see fit.